What is going on, everyone? Auto Endeavors here, coming back at you with another video today. Today we're going to be discussing how the Ford Motor Company is going to be giving a free upgrade to certain Maverick Ford pickup truck owners and people who essentially pre-ordered the vehicle with certain specs. So Ford is going to be doing this out of their own pocket, so let's discuss it. So basically, there are two trim models as far as the engine is concerned in the Ford Maverick. There's the hybrid engine and the EcoBoost engine. We know this. Now, on the EcoBoost engine specifically, you are able to get it in front-wheel drive, or you're able to get it in all-wheel drive. And because of those two differences, Ford has decided that those individuals who ordered the Ford Maverick in the EcoBoost engine model will be eligible to receive a free upgrade from the Ford Motor Company at no extra cost to them, adding absolutely no cost to the price of the vehicle for free. So they're going to be adding all-wheel drive, or they're going to give the option of all-wheel drive to be added to those individuals who pre-ordered their Ford Maverick with the front-wheel drive, but pre-ordered it with the towing package included. Ford assumedly decided to just go ahead and offer this to the customers who pre-ordered it in that specific trim level, and they are going to just stand by their word. They realize that, it will benefit them in the long run if they just go ahead and offer that as an upgrade at no cost to the individual consumer. So what we're going to do is we are going to go over and take a look at a recent article discussing this very topic about how if you pre-ordered a Ford Maverick and you pre-ordered it with front-wheel drive and the EcoBoost engine, you are eligible to receive the upgrade at absolutely no cost to you. Okay, everyone, so I have this article pulled up here by Roadshow by CNET. I will be linking this article in the description down below for your viewing pleasure, but basically, it states that some Ford Maverick customers are in for a free all-wheel drive upgrade. Ford removed a certain full-wheel drive configuration, and it'll spot customers the cash for an all-wheel drive pickup to make it up. So basically, it says down here in this article, and there's a video here that you can watch if you are interested, but basically what this article says is if you placed an order for a front-wheel drive vehicle pickup with the 4K towing package, you're not getting it. According to documents posted to the Maverick Truck Club forum, performance evaluations showed this Maverick combination wasn't up to par, basically. And so what Ford is going to make sure is that it won't inconvenience anyone who ordered the towing package with a front-wheel drive truck, and instead they can opt for a free all-wheel drive upgrade instead. So Ford is providing this upgrade for free to its customers at no cost to them, which is great on Ford, and they really know how to make their customers happy. The automaker will cover a $2,200 upcharge, according to Ford, for any customer that originally placed an order for the now defunct configuration. So basically, they're not going to offer that previous configuration anymore, and instead they're going to offer their customers the free upgrade to get the all-wheel drive version. With the all-wheel drive upgrade, they can then add the 4K towing package. If they still want a front-wheel drive truck, they'll need to remove the beefier towing setup and deal with a 2,000-pound maximum or cancel the order. So basically, Ford is just going to completely cut the option to get a towing package on a front-wheel drive truck. They basically, I guess, decided that it just wasn't feasible, or it just wasn't efficient enough for them, and they knew that their customers would probably not be very happy with the results of the vehicle. So most likely, one can assume that most individuals are going to take full advantage of this upgrade option. And realistically speaking, all-wheel drive trucks are more likely to fetch a higher premium on the resale market than a front-wheel drive truck anyways, so it probably benefits you in the long run, and it comes at no cost to you. If a customer does stick with a front-wheel drive Maverick, they can add a trailer hitch receiver with a 4-pin connector. So you can still tow with a front-wheel drive Maverick. It's just going to be a whole lot less. The towing ability is going to be cut in about half, but you can add a trailer hitch and a receiver for those trucks that do have front-wheel drive. So basically down here it says, Ford said in a statement the move is meant to meet strong demand for Maverick and reduce complexity. The automaker added there were roughly 500 orders for the front-wheel drive Maverick with the towing package. So it looks like this is going to affect around 500 customers of the Ford Maverick. And basically all of these customers are going to be eligible for the all-wheel drive upgrade at no cost to them. And down here in the last paragraph, it says basically that the best value is to take the all-wheel drive upgrade and run, even though the fuel economy takes a slight hit at about 1 to 2 miles per gallon. It's a pretty generous offer from Ford, and remember, this is only for the 2.0 liter turbo model, so basically the EcoBoost model. Maverick Hybrid doesn't offer all-wheel drive, at least not yet. So basically, this is going to affect around 500 customers who decided to order the front-wheel drive EcoBoost Ford Maverick. Now, that doesn't sound like a whole lot of customers, but I can only assume that that kind of configuration isn't very popular from the get-go. But nevertheless, since Ford is going to decide to just go ahead and offer this upgrade at no cost to the consumer whatsoever, that is super awesome of Ford that they decided to do that. Ford has been known as a company that wants to make sure its customers are happy and are satisfied with the vehicles that they produce. And so the fact that they're doing this and they're not even charging any cost or making the person who ordered the vehicle do anything other than just simply accept the difference at no cost to them is great news for Ford Maverick pre-orders and people who pre-ordered this vehicle and decided to get it from the get-go. It's pretty interesting that Ford decided that the front-wheel drive towing package vehicle was just not up to par. This article doesn't really discuss why that may be, but one can only assume that there's a strong possibility that, since it's such a light vehicle, that having just front-wheel drive, it would probably put a lot of strain on the engine and things of that nature, whereas having all-wheel drive probably just makes it more efficient overall. And the fact that it only drops about 1 mile per gallon, that's not too bad at all. That's not too bad of a price to put on adding some extra utility to the vehicle. And most people who were towing probably will like the upgrade at no cost to them. They probably didn't see the need in adding $2,200 to their purchase price of their vehicle, but if it comes free, most likely all of the pre-orders will just go ahead and add it to their car. But yeah, guys, that's what I have for you today. Interesting stuff coming from the Ford Motor Company. Interesting that they decided to do this for their customers. I think it really goes to show that they care about their customers quite a good bit. But let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Why do you think that the Ford Maverick is not very efficient in front-wheel drive with the towing package? Why did Ford decide to go this route? And if you were one of the ones who pre-ordered this sort of configuration, what are you going to do about it? Let me know all that down in the comment section below. Be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with future updates on the Auto Endeavors channel. With all that being said, until next time, we'll see y'all.